Hey, this is Chris, and welcome to Winemaker TV. Do you like beer? Do you like wine? Do you like cider? Have you ever thought about making it yourself? Well, if so, this is the place for you. New here? Please hit the subscribe button and the little bell notification so you'll know every time I come out with a new wine and a new video. And also, I've started up a Facebook group, which the link will be in the description below. So please join there, and so we can swap recipes, give ideas and tips and tricks to each other. So let's get started. Okay, we'll be making a beginner Muscadine wine today. So first thing you're going to need is a gallon of Muscadine juice. I got this from a local grower here in Georgia. It's called Vine Creek, and they're not endorsing me or anything. It's just I found this and decided to give it a try. So I got 3 bottles of the Muscadine, which is a red, and save these bottles because we can use them to bottle our finished product in it. But I also want to make a rosa, so I also got one bottle of Scuppernong. So you'll need a gallon of juice, Muscadine juice. You'll need 2 pounds of light brown sugar. You'll need your yeast, and I'm using a Red Star Premier Blanc. You'll need a fermentation vessel. So I have 1 gallon of a filtered water bottle that I've saved. And I got an airlock, which is right off camera. So you'll need an airlock, and if you need any of these materials, Amazon affiliate links will be available in the description for you. So let's get started. I've already added my juice and my 2 pounds of sugar to my fermentation vessel, and I've shaken it up. And a little trick that I've found on our Facebook group, which will have a link in the description if you want to join, is usually I just use a funnel and poke the sugar through the funnel. I've got a sterilized measuring cup, which I added the 2 pounds of sugar to, poured some of my juice in, and then transferred it. It was a heck of a lot easier. So that's one little technique and tip that I have learned from my Facebook group. So, and then you need to keep the top, so you put the top on and shake it up real good. Make sure there's no, well, still got some. Keep shaking it and make sure there's no sugar sitting on the bottom. So I'm gonna shake it up, shake it up, shake it up, and as soon as I get it all shook up, I'll be right back. Okay, shaking it up does 2 things. Incorporates the sugar into the juice, so we'll have our higher alcohol content, and it'll get a little air into the juice to get the yeast kicked off. So now all we have left to do is add our yeast. Like I said, I got a Red Star Premier Blanc, and I'll just add it to the top. Put the top on up, give it a little swirl. Add my airlock, and we're done. So we'll be right back to wrap things up. And we are done. That is how you make a beginner Muscadine wine. So just to show you, that's our beginner's Muscadine wine. So if you like what you see here, please leave a comment and a thumbs up, and please join my Facebook group again. Description will be in the a link will be in the description below, and please hit the subscribe button and the little bell notification so you'll become a member of our community in every way you can. Now it's time to have a glass of wine. I'll be having a little bit of Skeeter Pea. That is Oh, lemon wine. Look how clear that is. Woo! This is Chris with Winemaker TV, and that's all there is today. Woo, that's good.